Hey everyone, welcome back to From Zero to Affiliate Hero 90 Days Journey. I'm Matt and today is day 63. We're on the third day of promoting the Write Up Reviews offer and things are starting to pick up. If you've been following along, we've been steadily building momentum with this high converting offer and today we'll take things further. Let's dive right in. Write Up Reviews is a fantastic offer to promote because it's relatable and simple. People get paid for writing reviews on apps they use. Today, I'll walk you through setting up another email campaign, share the latest stats, and offer some tips on why consistent action pays off in affiliate marketing. Ready to get started? Let's go. Let's get into it. Today, we're sending out another email promoting Write Up Reviews. Let's select today's email swipe and set it up for MLGS. Okay, let's go to the affiliate page. Go to email swipes. Third day of promoting that offer, so we'll be using email number 3. Let's copy it fully. And let's paste it in our document. Okay, let's make the necessary changes. So let's start with the introduction. Let's see, read the email through. Okay, there is no other changes needed. Let's sign the email. And let's now make the changes to your hop link. Let's start with your ClickBank ID. And if you're promoting this hop link somewhere else and you want to track it, add the TID option. Okay, now we have that ready. Let's encode it in ClickBank. Go to Affiliate Link Tools, encode, paste your link and encode affiliate link. That's it. Now let's have a look at the email again and where we can enter the hop link. So visit our website here. Let's just highlight the sentence, right click, insert link, and apply. Perfect, so the email is ready. Let's set it up now in MLGS. Let's go to the mailing system. Select all the leads. Let's grab the subject. Now the email body. As always, highlight only the link. Select the perfect timing and send. The key here is to stay consistent with your messaging. Keep your leads engaged and familiar with the offer. Okay, now let's quickly review the stats from yesterday's email. Let's go to the statistic on MLGS. As you can see, we've got solid open rates and clicks coming through, but no sales yet. That's perfectly fine. Affiliate marketing is all about building momentum and staying consistent. Some leads may need to see the offer a few times before they convert, so stay patient and keep pushing. One thing to always keep in mind in affiliate marketing is the power of follow-up. Your leads may not convert on the first email or even the second, but staying in touch keeps your offer fresh in their minds. Over time, this builds trust and significantly increases your chances of making a sale. This is why consistency is key. It's the follow-up that makes all the difference. Before we wrap up today, I want to personally invite you to join our Affiliate Success Hub Facebook group. We're building a strong community of affiliates who support each other on the journey to success. You'll find the link in the description below, so make sure to join us today. That's it for the day 63. We're continuing to push forward with Write Up Reviews, and I'm confident that with consistency the results will follow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. As always, all the important links are in the description below. I'll see you tomorrow for more updates and strategies. Let's keep the momentum going.